The word Hakhi in Hebrew is a super versatile word which can be attached to many different adjectives and adverbs in Hebrew. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use this awesome word. In English, when you want to express the most intense adjectives and adverbs, you'll usually be adding est, such as in biggest, smallest, fastest, hottest, etc. In Hebrew, however, we have the word Hakhi. This word doesn't care about gender or quantity, and it can be attached to most adjectives and adverbs to express the most something. Yup, I realize this also happens in English with certain adjectives, such as beautiful or capable or attractive, where we say the most something. Let's look at the word gadol, meaning big in the masculine form. Bigger would be yoter gadol. Biggest would be hachi gadol. The same thing would also work when speaking about so-called negative things. Let's look at the adjective katan, meaning small. Wait, no, let's spice it up. We'll switch it to feminine plural, ktanot. Smaller would be yoter ktanot. Smallest would be hachi ktanot. As you could see, the words yoter and hachi are never adjusted to the gender and quantity of the noun, as opposed to adjectives and adverbs. Let's look at some real-life examples. זה היום הכי קר בשנה. This is the coldest day of the year. ים המלח הוא המקום הכי נמוך בעולם. The Dead Sea is the lowest place on earth. את האישה הכי יפה ביקום. You are the prettiest woman in the universe. זה הסרט הכי גרוע שאי פעם צפיתי בו. This is the worst movie I ever watched. בוא נגיד שהוא לא העיפרון הכי חד בקלמר. Literally, let's just say he's not the sharpest pencil in the pencil case, or in English, he's not the sharpest tool in the shed. Another alternative in slang would be hachi hachi. This is mainly used by children, and it would basically translate as the most in every sense. Example, את המורה הכי הכי, meaning, you're the best teacher ever. Or, in its negative form, איך הוא מרגיש היום? לא הכי הכי. How is he feeling today? Not the greatest. Obviously, we could also answer, לא הכי טוב, not the best. Lastly, please notice that there is a more formal way of saying the most. A more formal alternative to הכי is ביותר. Examples, זו הדירה היקרה ביותר בבניין. This is the most expensive apartment in the building. זה הכדור החזק ביותר לכאבי ראש. This is the strongest pill for headaches. That is all, guys and girls. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, yalla bye.